what's up, guys? So anyways, here we are. We're in Terlingua now for that trip. But anyways, just want to go through those boots real quick. So all leather. They got a little deal here for your gear shifter. They got it on both pegs. I don't know why you need it on your right, but anyways, hard leather. They got this shin guard deal. They're very good quality. Now, like, are they like those motocross boots? Probably not. I mean, you can bend and all that good stuff, but they're better than freaking wearing freaking tennis shoes out like I always do. But good soles. Got a Velcro strap here. And then a zipper. I put a little, my son's baseball glove leather treatment on here. Wore them around for a couple days. They broke in pretty quick, actually. Each night I got some old long johns in there to keep them, you know, whatever you want to call that, so they don't shrink in. But anyways, they're supposed to be waterproof, all that good stuff. $100, less than $100 on Amazon. They're made in Mexico. They were here at my house in like 3 days. Let's put them to the test in Terlingua. We're gonna be riding 4 days to Presidio, Terlingua, all through Big Bend. So they're gonna get it in right now. So y'all stick around. Appreciate y'all's support. Y'all need anything, check out the link below. The boots are there. Adios. We're here. Mexico is right over there. We're right here. Here's the boots. 2 days in riding with them. We just got back from, where was that? Presidio. So anyways, we did the Big Bend all day yesterday, as you saw. Boots are holding up great. So anyways, we're just out here. We're just doing a little boot goofing. New boot goofing. New boot goofing. Woo! Hey, ¿qué pasó, amigos? So, hey, we did it. The boots survived. Definitely look different now. Was a lot of miles through some of Texas's most rugged country. We did some River Road out there. I don't think we did Black Gap Road. We took the road out of Steady Buttes in behind Terlingua, top of the mountain ride. If you haven't done that yet, check it out. But the boots held up well, I'm telling you. What's also pretty neat, they've got this little deal here, and on this side, I guess air. My feet never got sweaty. I'm not a sweaty feet guy, but man, nice and cool and everything. Like I said, they broke in well. They held up. no complaints at all. So anyways, go check them out. I don't know, check them out. Go get some. Like I said, under $100. If you like these videos, give it a like, and let me know when I put out some more on this riding stuff. Y'all be good. Be nice to somebody today. Roll over and do it again tomorrow. And life's too short. Let's go.